Assalamu alaikum student. In question number 6, distance of AB is given, which is 4 centimeters. Distance of AB is equal to 4 centimeters and distance of BC is equal to 6 centimeters. Whereas AB is perpendicular to BC. You can see here I have already drawn AB perpendicular to BC. Then required is to draw a circle. To draw a circle passing through points A, B and C, and also to measure its radius. Also to measure its radius. Let's start our work. First of all, we will bisect AB and BC to find out the center of the circle. Bisector of BC and then bisector of AB. AB is 4 centimeters long. These bisectors will bisect each other at a point which will be the center of the circle. Now join the arcs. The first bisector of BC, you may draw it with dotted lines. The bisector of BC and then the bisector of AC. Both the bisectors are intersecting each other at a common point, which you can say O. In construction, the step number 1 is draw perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC intersecting each other at point O, which is the center of the circle. Now we can draw a circle with center O, which may pass through points A, B and C. Placing the needle of the compass at point O and open the leg of compass up to point A or B or C. Draw a circle which is the required circle. It is passing through points A, B and C. We can write here like this. Number 2, with center O and radius OA, or OB or OC, comma, draw a circle passing through A, comma, B and C, which is the required circle. Now we have to measure its radius. For this purpose, we will join O to C. You may join it to B or A as you like. I am joining O to C. Now mathematically we can find the distance of the radial segment, the length of the radial segment. By Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras, by Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of base and altitude. Here we have base DC, which is half of BC or 3 centimeters. Similarly, altitude is half of line segment AB, a chord AB, which is equal to 2 centimeters. And hypotenuse is OC. Now 9 square centimeters plus 4 square centimeters, which is equal to 13 square centimeters. Taking square root to both sides, we get measurement OC is equal to under root 13 centimeters. Allah Hafiz till tomorrow.